to make it into an envelope, you can fold this and glue it 2 ways. You can fold the back of the envelope first and then put the glue on the side flap and the bottom flap, and then put it over the back of the envelope, and you are done. Now you just have to put in money and then fold down the top of the envelope. Okay, and the second way to do it, and it's the way that you normally see these Lunar New Year envelope folded, which is basically just to form the envelope first. Gotta make it easier. Most of the time you will see the envelopes folded like this. So this goes down first, and you put glue on top of it, and then you put the back of the envelope on top of that, and this is the bottom. So you glue the bottom flap, and then you flip it up. So that is the common way of doing it, and here is the top. See? Okay, so 2 ways. One where the back goes down first, and then the 2 side and the bottom flap goes on top. And the other side is the side flap goes down first, and then you put the back over it, glued, and then you put the bottom flap over the back of the envelope. So 2 ways. Okay, and these are the rest of your envelopes. I highly recommend printing these on paper that are thicker than copy paper. You can print it on copy, which is this one, and these are a little thicker, and you can feel it but nicer, and it won't be a see-through, and the color's a little more vibrant. So yes, these are 32-pound paper, and they're a little thicker. If you're just doing it with the kids for fun, copy paper is fine, but I recommend 32 pounds or higher. And if you can, they're photo papers that are double-sided. That will definitely make it more vibrant, all these colors. Okay.